Good morning, students. Now, next exercise concept. The applications are vectors to three dimension. That's called 3D geometry. We have limited number formula only in this exercise. Now, equation of a straight line passing through a point, only one point, and parallel to a vector. That means what? 1 point, 1 vector. 1 point, 1 vector. This is 2 mark, 3 mark concept. The same concept, 1.2 vector or 2.1 vector or 3 points. 3 conditions involved in that is important 5%. That is separate equation, separate exercise. Now this concept only 1 point and parallel vector. That means what? This is the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. In this way, 3 dimensions, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Now, what is the question? Equation of straight line passing 1 point parallel to this point, one vector is there. Parallel to one particular point is there. Suppose A vector, suppose. Okay? The parallel to vector is called B vector. Passing to this point. Passing to this point, one line is there, already is there. This is called parallel to A vector. That means that is point is A vector, parallel to vector is what? B vector. That is given me. We have the parametric form of the vector equation. What is the formula? R vector equal to A vector plus T into B vector. T is scalar. From the question, you will guess the point A vector and the parallel vector that is called B vector. After write this formula, substitute A value, B value, that is the answer. Read the question clearly. We have 1 point, 1 vector given me. Parametric form of the vector equation, non-parametric of the vector equation, and the Cartesian equation asking me this is a formula. Sometimes any 2 parts asking, sometimes all the parts are asking, sometimes maybe only 1 part asking. You must follow the formula. R vector equal to A vector plus T into B vector. T scalar. A represents given point. B represents parallel vector. The same thing, non-parametric form of the vector equation means A come this side. R vector minus A vector cross B vector equal to the vector product on the side, not 0 vector. Now Cartesian equation is x minus x1 by b, y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by b3. The b1, b2, b3 are parallel vector. The b for example b no. That is what? b equal to 2y plus 3j plus 4k mean 2, 3, 4 substitute. This is a point 1 point. Suppose 1, 2, 3. 2y plus 3j plus 4k mean 2, 3, 4 is the point. Substitute. Cartesian equation involved xy, x and y, z. Vector equation means only R put the vector symbol. Parametric equation means vector and scalar combined will come. Anyway, this type of 3 equations are very, very important. Similarly, same thing, equation of a straight line passing through 2 given points. First one is 1 point, 1 vector, parallel vector. But here, both are points. That means the parametric form of the vector equation is R vector equal to A vector plus T into B vector minus A vector. T is scalar. The non-parametric form is what? R minus A cross T minus A, T vector. Cartesian equation is what? 2 point formula. X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Z minus z1 by z2 minus. This is the formula. Then angle between the two straight lines. The straight line is of the form. Listen here. Angle between the two straight lines asking sometimes this is vector form given. This is vector form given. Parametric form of the vector equation. Sometimes this format is given. Mind it. But this format is given me the b1, b2, b3 no. That is called b vector. First equation represent pyramid is called b vector. Next this is what? D vector. After write this formula, substitute the value this answer. About the same question, angle between the two straight line asking me whether vector equation given me after scalar b, after scalar d, that is called b and b. Suppose Cartesian form also may be given. Angle between the two points, 2 points given me, they have 3 format. Non-parametric equation, parametric equation, Cartesian equation. Suppose this type of equation given me, this type of equation given me, you will guess A vector, which one A vector, which one B vector. First point, second point. This is given A and B have 2 points. Substitute here, this is the non-parametric form. In this format given me x1, x2. Everybody know. Anyway, from the equation, which one p vector, which one d vector you want to assume. Vector format is given me after scalar. This is the point. Need not consider. This r vector, need not consider. After scalar, the scalar may be lambda, mu, s and t, p and q, whatever may be. After scalar, let it be d vector, d vector. Suppose, sometimes this type of equation, sometimes. I am going to do 2 seconds, no? This is 2 seconds. First time, put more resistance. That means, the denominator, no? Let it be p vector. Next equation, no? That's the d vector. After, write the formula, subsequently we get answer. This is the idea, simple idea. The next concept, small idea, that now listen here, second question, find the parametric form of the vector is asking. Previously, non-parametric asking, here parametric form of the equation asking, and the Cartesian equation asking, 1 point, 1 vector. Am I correct? 1 point direct given. This can be written as minus 2i cap plus 3i cap, j cap plus 4 cap. That means what? Point is represented as x1, y1, z1 is equal to minus 2, 3. Previously, what is given? The same structure. Point given, the vector given, a vector given, from this point you want to get. Next one, vector format is given, you want to guess the period. But here, Cartesian format is given. That means what? Denominator is, these are the form, x minus x1 by v1, y minus y1 by v2, z minus z1 by v3. That's why you want to assume, first one is what? Minus 4i cap. Am I correct? Minus 4i cap. And the next is what? Plus 5j cap. Next is what? Suppose plus 6k cap. That means wrong. What is, the question is not in order. Question not in order. X plus or minus something by something. Y plus or minus something by something. Z minus or plus something by something. That is the correct formula. This is not correct. That's why the question is changed here. Z minus a by minus a. You want to multiply and divide by minus. Automatically here z minus a will come minus 6. But this is the correct format. The given questions are not in the format, standard form. X minus x1 by v1, y minus y1 by v2, z minus z1 by v3. That format not given. That's why you want to change this format. Now you want to consider minus 4i cap, 5j cap, minus 6k cap. Now, what I told you, v1, v2, v3 equal to minus 4, 5, minus 8. Listen here, this is the problem. Directly, so minus 4, 5, 6. Suppose you want to assume only 6 means here plus 6 will come totally wrong. This type of mistake will come. To avoid the mistake, read the question clearly. In all the question, here 2x suppose will come in, minus 4 is another correct answer. We totally get 2. So divided by 2 in numerator, as well as denominator. Then minus only will come. That is the minus is the answer. Suppose 2x. Here 5y given, suppose for example. About divided by 5 in numerator, as well as denominator also. Automatically here 5y only will come. Here only y will come. That's why this type of problem, not only this particular exercise. Next exercise also, sometimes this type of equation will mean the first x alone will come, the y alone will come, z alone will come. Suppose negative will come in, change sign. Suppose number will come in, divide that number. That's very important. Now what is our name? Parametric formula as you know. The first one, parametric form of vector equation. What is the formula? R vector equal to A vector plus T into B vector. Okay? R vector equal to A vector is what? Minus 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap plus T into scalar into B vector is what? Minus 4i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap. That's all. Okay? Next is what? Cartesian equation. What is the formula? X minus x1 by b1, y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by b3. Substitute here. X minus x1. x1 you know minus 2. Already minus plus 2. By b1 is what? Minus 4. Y minus y1 that is what? 3. By b2 is what? 5. Here you get minus, here is 4. Divided by b3 is what? Minus 6. That's all. In this way you will find now parametric form of the vector equation and the Cartesian equation. Write the formula, substitute the where you will get answer. Moreover, this question is actually this one. But here is not coming in the first term. That's why interchange. That's why multiply minus in numerator denominator also multiply with 6 minus. That only you get answer minus 6. You got a answer actually? This is the first answer. First answer. The second answer. Both of sometimes 3 parts are asking maybe. If 3 mark question, 3 parts are asking. Simple. Write the formula clearly. Substitute the will get answer. Two given lines with the dash and ratios b1, b2, b3 and d1, d2, d3 are parallel mean if and only the ratio will be equal. Similarly, the perpendicular mean b1, d1, b2, d2, b3, c3 equal to 0. The same concept if the two segments are first and second one are perpendicular mean dot product becomes 0. Both the same concept actually. Am I right? The corresponding element should be multiply under added. We can 0 mean both the lines are perpendicular. Prove that it is perpendicular mean you will find not to use the previous formula cos theta equal to b dot d by mod b mod b. Simple concept. B and b dot product 0 will come in, two lines are perpendicular. That's all. Now, small idea over. What is the idea? 1 point, 1 vector, parametric equation, non-parametric equation, Cartesian equation. 2 points, the same thing. Parametric equation, non-parametric equation, vector equation. The Cartesian equation. Now, exercise 6.4, the first question, read the question clearly, find the non-parametric form of the vector equation and the Cartesian equation of the second asking. What not asking? Which one not asking? The first one, you know, the parametric form of the equation, not asking. Only 2 parts are asking. What is given? Clearly given. The point with the question vector, that means OA vector. OA means small a vector. This is a point. This is given. Am I correct? This is given. Which implies, automatically the point, no. x1, y1, z1 equal to, what is the answer? 4, 3, minus 7. Here A vector given. We need Cartesian, we want Cartesian equation also ask, you know. Cartesian x, y, that's point. And the parallel vector is what? B vector equal to 2y vector minus 6j vector plus 7k vector. This can in formula having b1, b2, b3. Am I right? This is actually what? 2, minus 6, 7. In this way, assume. A vector given from this one, this is a point. B vector given, b1, b2, b3. Now, what is first one asking? The first condition. What is asking? Non-parametric form of vector equation. What is the formula? R vector minus A vector cross B vector equal to 0 vector. R vector only minus inside A vector is what? 4i cap plus 3j cap minus 7k close up bracket cross the B vector is what? Our assumption 2i cap minus 6j cap plus 7k cap equal to 0 vector. That's all. Need not simplify. Write the formula, suitable formula, substitute A value and B value, they get answer. Next one is what? Cartesian equation is asking. Second solution. Cartesian equation. Put the reading. What is the formula? X minus x1 by p1, x minus x2 by B2, x minus x3 by B3, which implies x minus x1, and our assumption 4 by B1 is what? 2. Am I right? X minus x2, x is what? 3. B2 is what? Minus 6. Like what is the formula? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z is the formula. Y minus 3 by minus 6. Z minus last one minus 1, no? Minus 7. That is plus 7. Divided by 7. That's all. Am I right? Very simple concept. Write the suitable formula and substitute the value. Because all the values are given only. This set of question 2 mark, 3 mark, you must have the formula only. In exercise 6.4, we have 8 problem. Today, our target is to complete all the 8 problem. Now, third question, find the points. Points asking where the straight line, SC represent straight line passes through the 2 points and cuts the XZ and YZ planes. Now, what is given? Find now. Given 2 points are 6, 7, 4 and 8, 4 is 9. Let it be x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z. Okay, because 3 points, 2 points. Now, 2 points are given now. Here, 2 points are given me. We have non-parametric vector equation, parametric vector equation, and Cartesian equation. But what is asking? Points asking. Points means what? X, y, z. That's called point. Already know. That's why you write the Cartesian equation. Cartesian is only involving x, y, z. Am I right? That's why I am finding equation of the Cartesian equation of the line, straight line, passing through 2 points. Passing through 2 points. What's the formula? Simply Cartesian equation. That's enough. Need not do the whole thing. The Cartesian equation is put the name x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2. This is the formula for Cartesian equation for the 2 points. X minus x1 is what? 6, here also 6, x2 is what? 8. Y minus y1 is what? 7, here also minus 7, here 4. Z minus 4, here also minus 4, 9. Now simplify. X minus 6 by 2, y minus 7 by minus 3, z minus 4 by 12. Am I right? This is a Cartesian equation. 4. Now the first subdivision, what is asking now? Point asking, x, y, is asking, the first condition, it cuts the XZ plane. It cuts the XZ plane. That means what? XZ plane means put y equal to 0. XZ you know? What is the main quantity? Y equal to 0. In 10th standard, equation x-axis, y equal to 0. Y-axis, x equal to 0. The same thing here, x, y, the 3 plates are there. That's why XZ plane means y equal to 0. Am I right? Right? Y equal to 0. Similarly, next one is what? Y is a plane. That means what? X equal to 0. Anyway, put y equal to 0 here. After that, you will find x value and z value. That is called the first point. Similarly, next subdivision, it means y is a plane means x equal to 0. Substitute there. We get the y value, z value. That is the answer. Now, it cuts the x is a plane means y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means x minus 6 by 2. This is 0 minus 7 by 3 equal to z minus 4 by 5. Okay? Now equate this to x minus 6 by 2 is minus 7 by 3. Okay? Minus 1 by 3. Cross multiply. X minus 6 equal to minus 14 by. Okay? X equal to minus 14 by 3 plus 6. Take base 3 as LCM. Cross multiply 18. Am I right? 18 minus 14, 4 by 3. This is LCM. Similarly, equal this to minus 7 by 3 equal to z minus 4 by 5. Am I right? Cross multiply minus 35 by 3 equal to z minus 4. Plus 4 plus 35 by 3 equal to z. Result equal to 3 is LCM. 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 35, 47. 47 by 3. Therefore, the required point is x is what? 4 by 3. Y is what? 0 or assumption. Here is what? 43 by 7. This is the first answer. Am I right? The same thing, it cuts the y z plane when x equal to 0. The same thing, same concept. Here 2 points are given. Point asking x, y, is asking. That's why I am finding Cartesian equation of passing through the 2 points. Formula. After it cuts x is plane is what answer. Next one is what? It cuts y z plane when x equal to 0. The same thing, 0 minus 6 by 2 equal to y minus 7 by minus 3 equal to z minus 4 by 5. Which implies minus 6 by 2, no, that is minus 3 equal to y minus 7 by minus 3 equal to z minus 4 by 5. Now we get in first to second. Next step, first to the last. Then we get y value and z value. Am I right? Now after question. Now, equal in first to the second, minus 3 equal to y minus 7 by minus 3. Then cross multiply, minus 3 into minus 3, 9 equal to y minus 7. So, 9 plus 7 equal to y equal to 60. In this way, you want equating second with the first over only. Now, first to the last, minus 3 equal to z minus 4. Divided by 5, cross multiply, minus 15 equal to z minus 4, minus 15 plus 4 will be z equal to minus 7. Therefore, another point, required points. X is 0, y is 16, z is minus 7. In this way, you will find the x value, z value, y value, z value. This is called points. What is asking? Find the points only asking, no? Both answers coming. That's very important subject. Check yourself. The first point is what? First point 0. Sorry. First point is what? 4 by 3. What is the first point? Here something now. Here small mistake is there. Y minus 7 by minus 3, no? Put minus 3. Here also minus 3 cancel. Now only 14 by 3. Here 14 by 3 plus 6 is what? Cross multiply 18. 32 by 3. Am I right? 32 by 3. Here all pattern. Small change. Here minus 3 is there. That's why put minus 3. In this way you will find first point and second point. Important question. Now, fourth question, find the direct and cosines of the cited paths into 2 points. Also find the parametric form of the vector equation and the Cartesian equation of the cited paths in 2 given points, the same point. Here, direct and cosine asking, and also parametric equation of the vector equation and the Cartesian is asking. Now, 2 points are given. Now, direction of the lines. Direction of the lines is actually subtract both corresponding points. Bigger minus 2. I want to subtract from here to here. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 13 minus 7, 6. In this way, you want to subtract. Now what is asking? Dash and cosines are asking. Dash and cosines are cosines. What is the formula? 2 divided by root of, and you know minus 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, comma 3 by root of 2 square, 3 square, 6 square, comma 6 by root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. Now simplify. 2 square, 4, 6 square, 36, 40, 49. Root of 49 is what? 7. Therefore, it is equal to 2 by 7, 3 by 7, then 6 by 7. This is the answer. This is the answer question. First part over. Now, 2 points are given now. What is asking? Let it be exactly what? Given points now. Let A vector equal to the first one. 5 I cap plus 6 j cap plus 7 k cap. Am I correct? Otherwise, given points. Again, 5, 6, 7 and 7, 9, 10. This can be as it implies A vector equal to 5 I cap, 6 j cap, 7 k cap, and B vector equal to 7 I cap, 9 j cap plus 13 k cap. This is actually what? X1, Y1, Z1. X2, Y2, Z2. Am I correct? Now, what is asking? What is asking? Parametric form of the vector equation. The first one, parametric equation of the parametric form of the vector equation. What is the formula? R vector equal to, what is the formula? A vector plus P into B minus A vector. Am I correct? R vector equal to A is what? 5 I cap, 6 j cap, 7 k cap plus P into second minus first. Already find out. Second minus first is what? 2, 3, 6. That is the answer. That is the answer. 2 I k, I vector, j cap, k cap. This is the parametric form of the vector equation. Now next is what is asking? Second one, Cartesian equation is asking. What is the formula? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Z minus z1 by z2 minus. In this way, write the formula. X minus x1 is what? 5. Divided by minus 5, yes 7. Y minus y1 is what? 6. By minus 6 here, 9. 9 minus 6. Z minus 7. Here, 13. The answer is x minus 5 into y minus 6 by 3, z minus 6. This is the answer. Very simple concept. By x asking. What is asking? There is a cosine asking. Next one, the same thing. Parametric form of the vector equation and a Cartesian equation of the asking. What is asking? Find the parametric form of the vector equation. Cartesian asking. That's all. Now listen here. Fifth question. Find the acute angle between the following lines. Two lines are given. First subdivision. Now it is of the form R vector equal to A vector plus S into D vector. R vector equal to C vector into D into D vector. R into D, yes. The scalar whatever will be no problem. Already you know lambda mu, T S, R S T, R P Q, R U V, whatever may be. After scalar, no, that is called first one is P, next one T. But directly assume this is scalar, this is a vector, point actually, this is a point. After scalar, this one you know, which implies let B vector equal to I cap plus 2 cap j cap to k cap. Am I correct? D vector equal to minus I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Am I correct? In this way, we want to assume B vector, then D vector. Now, what is asking? If angle between two straight lines, what is the formula? Cos theta equal to B dot D, here modulus, root of modulus of P vector, modulus of this is the formula. Previously I wrote the formula without modulus. Only angle between asking me without modulus, acute angle is with the modulus. What is the reason? With the modulus means, suppose negative will come in, avoid the negative sign, you will consider only positive sign. The positive sign means automatically below 90 will come. That is acute angle. Suppose if even negative will come in, more than 90 will come. That is only angle asking me without modulus is the formula. Acute angle means with the modulus is the formula. Very important concept. Read the question clearly. If it is acute angle means put the modulus B method. After finding B dot D, one number will come. That number positive, no problem. If negative also, you will consider modulus means what? Only positive. Suppose only angle between the acute not involving me, you need not put modulus. We get whether it's negative or positive. That is the answer. Find it. Now, already our assumption is what? B dot D, I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap dot the important minus I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Modulus, put the modulus. Put the modulus divided by modulus of B vector is what? The coefficient I, j, k should be square in order. 1 square, 2 square, minus 2 square. Into again minus 1 whole square, minus 2 square, 2 square. Am I right? Multiply. Top part means the corresponding element should be multiplied. No? I with I, that is minus 1. J with j, minus 4. K with k, minus 4. Divided by root of 2 square, 4, 1, 9. Am I right? 9. Here minus 9 by 3 into 3. That is minus 9. Minus 9 by 9, no? But in B method, put the modulus. Already told you, no? Put the modulus. Remove the modulus means only positive sign will come. That is 1. So cos theta equal to 1 means cos theta equal to 1 calculated as cos 0. But theta equal to 0. This is the answer. Suppose find the angle between only asking me without modulus minus 9 by 9 minus 1 will come. Am I right? Cos theta equal to minus 1. The minus 1 can be as cos 180, that's cos pi. Cos cancel, theta equal to pi. What is asking? Acute angle. Below 90 will get event. That's why consider modulus. Suppose only angle means the angle whatever may be, that is more than 90, that's 180 will come. Therefore, read the question clearly. Okay, what is asking? Acute angle asking. That's why you will put modulus. Otherwise, you need not put modulus. That is the answer. First term is over. Very simple concept, 2 mark question. You must follow the formula afterwards. From the question, you will guess the B vector, then D vector, write the formula, substitute the value, we get the answer. Next, second solution. Now, second solution, what is given? X plus 4 by 3, y minus 7 by 4, z plus 5 by 5. Then R vector is equal to 4k plus t into something after scalar, that is called t. B vector is what? Derivative vector. 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k after scalar d vector. 2i cap. Therefore, from this Cartesian equation given me, the v vector is point, derivative is what? b1, b2, b3, that is called b vector. Here, one point, one vector, after scalar only vector, that is b vector. The same thing. Angle between two straight lines, this is a formula. Now substitute the b value. 3i cap plus 4j cap 5 k cap 5 into 2 I cap j cap the ones. Next is root of 3 square 4 square 5 square again root of next one is what 2 square plus 1 square plus 4 square. Now that by now multiply both 6 then 4 plus 20 with the minus. Divided by here 16 9 25 the 5 square now 25 root of 50 root of 50 again the 4 square 16 2 square 4 16 plus 4 20 plus 1 21 now adding all the way 30 here minus is only positive sign need not put the minus. Suppose negative sign involved mean the negative is converted to positive. Modulus represent only positive value. But here only positive equals to 30. This can be written as root of 50 can be written as what is the answer? 25 into 2. That is what? 25 into 2. Next. What is the multiplication? Multiplication is 2, 6 plus 4 plus. Read the question. What is the question? X plus 4 by 3, y minus 7 by 4, z plus 5 by 5, 2y plus j plus here only k. Question is only k. Here also only k. That means what here only k. Here 1 square. Now multiply here. What is the answer? 4 5 is 5 only. Here 6. Now adding 15. This can be as what I told you 5 into root 2. This can be as root 2 into root 3. Am I correct? 1 time 3 times. Again 3 by 2 root 3. Am I correct? Again 3 can be written as 3 can be written as this 3 can root 3 into root 3 no? Root 3 cancel. Root 3 by 2. Am I correct? Root 3 into root 3. Get 2 root 3. This is cos theta. Cos theta equal to the root 3 by can be written as cos of which are root 3 by 2? 5 by 6. Theta equal to this answer. Am I correct? Root of root 3 by 2 can be written as root 3 by 2 cos of 5 by 6. Cos 30. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 60 5 by 6. Therefore, the angle between acute angle below 90. That is correct answer. That's all. Next question. What are the equations given? 2x equal to 3y equal to minus z and 6x minus y minus 4 is given. Given, this is only given. Fifth question, simplicity. What are the given equation? 2x equal to 3y minus that and 6x equal to minus y equal to minus 4 is given. This is only given. Now I want to rewrite this equation on Cartesian equation of the equation. Cartesian equation the plane passes through 2 points. That idea. That's what this can be as x can be x minus 0. The 2 can be 1 by 2. Am I correct? Y minus 0 by 1 by 3. Here the minus here minus 1 here. Only here no. That is here minus 0. And this can be as x minus 0 by 1 by 6. Here y minus 0 by the minus here minus 1 equal here z minus 0 by minus 1 by 4. Taking reciprocal, we get this answer. This is the standard format, Cartesian equation. X minus x1 by b1, y minus y1 by b2 in this way. Therefore, let b vector equal to 1 by 2 I cap plus 1 by 3 j cap minus k cap. Am I correct? D vector equal to 1 by 6 I cap minus 1, minus j cap minus 1 by 4 k cap. Okay. Now this is the formula. Now cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 I cap 1 by 3 j cap minus k cap dot x 1 by 6 I cap minus j cap minus 1 by 4 k cap put the minus divided by 1 by 2 whole square. That is what? That right answer 1 by 4, 1 by 9, squaring 1. Here also 1 by 6, 1 by 36, 1 square 1 by 4, 1 by 60. Am I right? In this way, directly squaring and adding. Now, simplifying, we get the answer. Am I right? Am I right or not? By chance, you want to multiply here? Cos theta equal to multiply 1 by 12. Am I right? 1 by 12. Am I right or not? Corresponding I with I. Then j with j minus 1 by 2. Last 1 by 4. Am I right or not? Last one is plus. Am I right? Minus and minus plus. Now, adding these three value, what is the answer? By chance, 12 is suppose 12 is here. Here 1 times, here minus 4 times, here plus 3 times. 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 4 0. After denominator is 0. That's why need not simplify denominator. Waste of time because 0 by number 0. 0 by number 0. That's why need not simplify the denominator. In the form to the comparison, we get 0. Am I correct? Because of numerator 0. Which implies numerator 0. Am I correct? Since numerator 0, that's why 0 by anything equal to 0. So cos theta equal to 0. Cos theta, the 0 is what? Cos pi by 2. Am I correct? Theta equal to 2. Am I correct? The numerator 0 means automatically denominator whatever may be 0 by number equal to 0. That's a direct right answer. So theta equal to pi by 2 is the answer. Am I correct? Already told you b dot t equal to 0 means they are perpendicular. They are 90. That's all. Suppose this particular problem, you want to guess these two dot product p and t. Suppose it is 0 means need not write this one. Direct right answer. But this type of questions are asking me. You suppose one more question is asking me. Verify. First find b dot t alone. Suppose it is 0 means automatically they are perpendicular. Theta by 90. Afterwards find denominator. Then divide, we get the cos theta. Am I correct? 3 subjects are there. 2 more, 3 more concept. All the problems are over. Now question number 6 says the vertices of the triangle ABC are ABC given. Find the angle ABC. That is what? Angle B asking. In 11th standard I told you the vertices of the triangle are positive vectors of the triangle. In this way given me, what is given? OA, OB, OC. The points are given small a vector, small b vector, small c vector. But here vertices are given as a OA vector. That is what? 7 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 1 k cap. This point. Next 0 I cap, 0 d not right plus 3 k cap. Last one 4 I cap, 2 j cap plus 4 k. What is asking? Angle ABC asking is what? Angle B asking. You got to find the AB vector, after BC vector, then take the dot product. If it is 0 means automatically AB dot BC equal to 0 means P in between, no? P is 90 degree. That is the answer. That's why I am finding AB vector. OB minus OE. OB is what? 6 6I cap, no j cap, plus 3k cap. OA is what? 7I cap, 2j cap plus k cap. Change the sign, change the sign, change the sign. You got what? Minus I cap, minus 2j cap, plus the 2k cap. Am I right? This is AB. Similarly, B square is what? OB minus OC. Angle B asking, ABC means B asking. That's why you find AB, not AC. BC. That's why you find. OC is what? 4I cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. B is what? 6I cap then plus 3 cap. Now change sign. Minus 2I cap plus the same thing plus k cap. I am finding AB dot BC. Am I right? AB is what? Minus 1I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap dot minus 2I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Dot product is what's the meaning? The corresponding element should be multiplied and added. That is what's the answer. Minus minus plus 2. Then minus 4 plus 2. 0, you know. That means what? That means what? It symbolizes AB is perpendicular to BC. That means what? Angle ABC equal to 90 degrees is the answer. That's all. Angle will be asking by 2 or by 90 degrees. That's the answer. Now, seventh question. Find the if the set line joining the first 2 points is paired to the line joining the second 2 points. Find the value AB. First point A and B. This one set line. Third and fourth C and D. This one line. These 2 lines are parallel. That means what? Find AB. AB means what? OB minus OA. Next point, the OB minus OA. Now change sign. What is the answer? A minus 1 minus 1 no. Minus 3 I cap. Next is what? 4j minus j. That is 3j cap. Here minus 5k cap. Am I right? Similarly, CD. CD is what? OD minus OC. OD is what? A minus 1 into I cap plus 4 into j cap minus k cap. OC is what? 0. Need not write. Plus 2 j cap minus plus 3 minus 1 k cap. Am I right? Now change the sign. 0 I. Need not write actually. Otherwise 0 into I cap. Am I right? Now A minus 1 into I cap plus 2 into j cap. Next here minus. Here also plus. Am I right? Plus 1 minus cancel. Only b k cap. Am I right? Minus b k. Am I correct or not? Minus of b minus 1. That is what? Minus b plus 1. Plus 1 means 1 k cap. Already minus k cap. Cancel. Minus b cap. CD is this one. A minus 3. First one A minus 3 plus 3j minus 5k. Next one is what? A minus. Next one is what? A minus 1. Comparing. That's very important. First one is CD is what? CD. Sorry, here I wrote it wrongly here. OD is what? OD this one. I wrote this one. What is the OD? 5I cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap. The OC is what? 0 I vector plus 2 into j vector minus sign plus b minus 1 k cap. Now what is change? You got what? 5I cap plus j cap. Here minus minus okay. That means what? Minus b plus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Therefore minus common b plus 1 k cap. Am I right? Am I correct or not? Change the sign. Very simple concept. Minus, here minus 2 is there. Multiply minus b plus 1. Subtract both minus 1. Here minus b. Minus that will say, that's why your answer is what? Or otherwise, simply put the plus say, here minus b, last one is what? Plus 1, minus 2, minus 1. In this way you want to do. Now, what is given? two vectors are parallel given, already given. That's why equating both we get the answer. Now, both our since AB is parallel to CD. That's why both will be parallel mean what I told you, one vector is equal to constant but another vector. Am I right? That means here A is there, a number is there. Next a number is there, B is there. But if 3j is there, only j is there. That's why this AB vector is equal to 3 times CD vector. What is the reason? Both will be equal. 3j means here also 3j will come. So AB vector equal to what? A minus 3 into I cap plus 3 into j cap minus I cap. Okay, 3 into what's the answer? 5 I cap plus j cap minus 1 minus 1 k cap. Am I right? Because constant matter some other vector. That is called parallel. Here 3 is missing, that's why I want multiply with 3. Suppose here 2j means, here j means multiply with 2. Anyway, one vector is equal to some scalar multiplied by another vector. And the scalar may be negative number, positive number, whether it's fraction. That is not a matter. But if 3 is missing, now equating both. Multiply first and then equating both. 59, 3j, multiply minus 3b minus 3. Okay? A minus 3 I cap, 3j cap minus 5 cap. Now, equating the coefficient of I cap vector and k cap vector. Because 3j is equal. But definitely a minus 3 equal to 15. Up a equal to 15 plus 3 equal to 18. This is the first answer. Next is what? Minus 5 equal to minus 3b minus 3. We want b known. 3b equal to minus 3 plus 5. We want b equal to what? 2 by 3. In this way, you want equality both. That is the answer. A equal to 18, b equal to 2 by 3. That is the answer. Now, 8th question, if the straight lines x minus 5 by 5m plus 2 equal to 2 minus y by 5 equal to 1 minus z by minus 1 and x equal to 2y plus 1 by 4m equal to 1 minus z by minus 3 are perpendicular to each other. Find the value. This is given. This is a Cartesian equation. This is not a standard equation because the first one is what? First x is coming. X minus 5 by the denominator whatever may be no problem. Equal to, we want here, first y will come. Y, we want y. That's why multiply minus in numerator as to denominator. What is the answer here? Minus 2 plus y. That is y minus 2. Why here minus 2? Am I right? Here also multiply minus z minus 1 by 1. In this way you want right. Next one also, the extra one can be as x minus 0 by 1. Am I right? No number is 1. Here we want y no, but the extra 2 is coming. Divided by 2 in numerator as well denominator. Divided by 2 in numerator means 2y by 2 that is y plus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 divided by 4m by 2 2m. Here also multiply minus. That is what is the answer. Z minus 1 by 3. In this way you will consider x minus or plus something by something, y plus or minus something by something, z plus or minus something by something. In this way you want to. Now it is of the form. What is the form? Cartesian equation form. X minus x1 by b1, y minus y1 by b2, z minus 1 b3. Same thing x1. But denominator 2 equations remain. Let it be. This is b vector, d vector. Therefore, let b vector equal to denominator is what? 5m plus 2 into I cap plus next minus 5 into j cap. Next one, last one, plus 1 k cap. Am I right? C vector equal to next one, 1 I cap plus 2m j cap plus 3 cap. Now what is given? Perpendicular to each other. Since they are perpendicular, since they are perpendicular to each other, that means what? dot product will become 0. Now dot product is what? Phi m plus 2 into I cap minus phi into j cap plus k cap dot. Next is what? I cap 2m j cap plus 3 cap equal to 0. Now multiply corresponding element. I with I, j with j, k with k. Phi m plus 2. 1 into phi m plus 2. Next minus phi into 2m plus 1 into k. Am I correct? 1 into 3. Now simplify. Phi m plus 2 minus 10m plus 3 equal to 0. Combine both minus phi m. Combine these two plus phi equal to minus phi m equal to minus phi. M equal to what? 1. This is answer. The given equations are not in order. You want to write in the standard form. X minus x1 by something, y minus y1 by something, z minus z by something. But denominator whatever to be, need not consider numbers. That is point. We don't want. Denominator is called 1 is given means B vector, 2 is given means B and D vector. In this way you want to simplify. We get the answer m equal to 1. That's all. Ninth question. This is the last question from this exercise. Show that the 3 points are collinear, not coplanar. Suppose coplanar asking me, let it be A vector, B vector, C vector, box quantity equal to 0. That's different idea. This is collinear. Collinear means by the level champ idea. OA, OP, OC given. Now find A vector, OB minus OA. OB is what? Minus I cap plus 4j cap, 5k cap. OA is what? 2I cap, 3j cap plus 4k cap. Here minus, here minus, here minus. Equal to adding minus 3ij cap plus 1j cap plus 1k cap. Am I right? Now next BC vector. OC minus OB. OC is what? 8I vector, I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. OB is what? Minus I cap plus 4j cap plus 5 cap. Change the sign. Minus plus 7. Minus 7. 9I cap minus 3j cap minus 3 cap. And all that are having 3 common. Am I right? But what is it? Minus 3i plus j plus k, no? You will take minus 3 as common. What is the answer? Minus 3i plus j plus k. Part of the minus 3 into this is actually what? AB vector. What is that? This is AB vector. Now what I told you, BC vector equal to some scalar but another vector mean, which implies BC vector and AB vector are parallel. Am I correct? Let's have idea. One vector is equal to some scalar but another vector means parallel. But B is common point. But B is common point. Am I correct? That's why hence they are collinear. Am I correct? Both are parallel, but one point is common. That's why A, B, C are given points are collinear. This one. 11th standard only. That's all. This exercise 6.4 exercise. All the problems are by using very small concept. What is the concept actually? Non-parametric form, parametric form, and the Cartesian equation. 1.1 vector, both the points. Then angle between the two straight line and perpendicular. This idea only. Small idea, one axis over. These are all only 2 mark, 3 mark concept. No 5 mark actually. This type of problem only 2 mark, 3 mark. That's all.